In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bubble highlight, which in this case has a text in it. So what I'm going to do is in the book of Revelation, I want to identify who the pronoun goes to. In this case, this one would be Jesus. So I'm going to create it. It's very easy to do. Go to the palette that you want, hit the down arrow and choose Add a New Style. Go down to where it says Insert Text, and now I want the text in this case to be after the word, not before, like you see the one Job up there. So I'm going to put Jesus in parentheses, because this is who's speaking. I mean who the pronoun belongs to. And I'm going to give him a nice red color. Okay, and then I'm going to, oops, I didn't title it, but I'll fix that. Now I can either do that in the editor right up here, or when you hit that down arrow, it also showed a rename option right here. So you can do the rename. Now there's Jesus to show to his. We say that's Jesus, servants do much come, and he, Jesus, sent and signified it by his angel to his. Okay, let's get the mouse to cooperate. To his servant John, who, and then of course we can do the same thing for John. Come over here, add a new style, name it John, insert text, text after, parentheses, John, capsule, color, brown, save, and now all we have to do is click on that, and it now tells you that John refers to those two pronouns, the who and the he. And we don't need to worry about it on blessed is he. And now to here we have God, that's referenced, because in this one he is and was and is to come is actually talking about the Father, because it also includes, and then it says him who is, and then and from Jesus Christ. So Jesus is not the one up here in this particular passage. So but you'll see in here that I have a little cross beside him. I'll get into that in another video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys get something out of it. God bless.